What's up, y'all? So recently we took a trip to North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we spent the day at Broadway on the beach. And so I wanted to do a little walking tour. Initially, I was planning on using this video as a number of different shorts, and I probably will chop it up, but I wanted to just show the completeness of what's happening at Broadway at the beach. If you haven't been to Broadway at the beach, or at least within the last 2 years, there has been so much transformation to the park. And so in this video, I will just highlight on the screen where there are some new items, some new features, new restaurants, and definitely new attractions. The amusement park area is completely new, and it's moved in a different location. So a lot of great stuff out here. You've still got the old traditional stuff, and then there are a lot of new highlights. So if you're interested in going to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and visiting Broadway on the beach, check this video out. Leave me a note in the comments if you've been. What do you think about the new updates, or if you plan to go? Thank you so much for watching.
If I could, I'll make me feel less. Something in my brain causes stress. So come on, make me feel different. You wanna hold, don't hold back. Oh, your little drama's got me mad, and I don't need to tell you facts. You know I always want you back, girl. I could give you a big bad surprise. Let you take your time. Sure you wanna die. Treat me nice and I'll save you a slice. Baby, it's time to slide. Do you wanna try? No, it's true. It's what we do. Yeah, I know. It's true. It's true. It's what we do. Yeah.
First of all, I got no regrets, but a twisting and turning, got no success. I remember the first time that we two met, the loving, the chugging. Can't